How can I get rid of the feeling what others think of me? Hello everyone, I'm Aneesha Nargees and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the question that I have asked you at the beginning of this video. Actually, it is a feeling that pushes you back from moving forward and reaching at your success point. Yes, it's a negative energy, and most of you guys know that it's a negative feeling and you want to get rid of this negative thinking process, isn't it? So it's a most common feeling. I don't think you can entirely get rid of this feeling because we all are humans. Being a human, we are social beings. So socially, emotionally, we are connected to each other. Normally, every human being found happiness when they are making a good relationship with another. Because of that, unconsciously we have a feeling that we want to build up a good figure role to maintain that relationship healthy. Okay, let me ask you a question. Is it necessary to maintain a good figure role in front of everyone? If I have to answer this question, I will say a big no. You don't need to maintain a perfect control in front of everyone. We all are different individuals coming from different backgrounds and having different life experiences. So our lives, perspectives and views would be different. That's make everyone unique. Life is like a journey and each of us are having our own way. So my decision depends upon my situation and the condition which I am going through. And my decision that will be perfectly right and suit for me. When another person examines my decision, he would be thinking that what I taken is wrong. There is no problem with that. That is perfectly fine. He is not facing my situation and he is in his journey. And he can't understand the differences. Whatever, there are some things to consider every time you worry about what others might think. That I believe in myself. I am completely ready and willing to disappoint anyone those who want something for me that I don't want for myself. And people think about me less than I think. They have their own life and I am leading my life. Why do people talk about others? Tearing someone else is an evidence that they are unhappy with their own life. That's why they are finding their happiness when they criticize another one. The more happier they are, the less they will criticize you and the more empathy they will show for what another one going through. When someone says about you in such an unhappy situation is more about them than about you. As such, it's not ever a good guide for how to live your life. So don't make decision what others might think. It will steer you wrong every time. Okay? The busier you are working on your life, your happiness, the less time you will have to talk about others, and even better, the less time you will have to show any concern for what others might think of you. So go ahead with your heart and brain. Neglect the negative people and do focus on your life. Okay then, bye.